welcome back to another Cash Check or Credit with Kira, and today I'm going to be reviewing 2 different types of press-on nails for you so that you know what to go for and what not to go for. Excuse where I am right now. I am literally in one of my restrooms, the most quiet place in my home, so that I can get this out for you because you guys need this information. So anyhow, thank you for returning to watch another Cash Check or Credit with Kira. And for those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed, what is the problem? Let's go ahead, let's subscribe, hit your notification bell, like this video, share this video with all of your friends, and let them know who's the most poppin' girl out here. It's me, just in case anybody needed to know. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. So now let's get to the real thing. So you're gonna see later on where I try these nails, and usually when I put my nails on, it takes me just a matter of minutes to do it. So you'll see the first one was an epic fail, and let me just go ahead and share with you who was the epic fail. LA Colors. Sometimes it's a hit or miss with LA Colors products in general, but their nail collection I am not a fan of. So it's the LA Colors Classy Nails Natural Look Artificial Nail Tips. So I actually bought 3 packs. So one of them was in a Perfect Pink French tip, and then the other was Nails Matter, and it's supposed to be ultra thin, lightweight, chip proof. I'm not exactly sure. They feel really flimsy. Anyhow, you'll figure it out in the video and you'll see what happened when I tried these. But yeah, these are the first ones, and these price point, I think $1.99, maybe $2.99. So that's why I bought 3 packs. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be ready. These are definitely, I'm gonna go ahead, spoiler alert, LA Color artificial press-on nails, whatever, glue-on nails, DIY nails are a check. Check. That means that we don't do a cash check or credit. No. Check please. No, we don't like these. So the other ones are they are Pretty Woman faux nails, and these price point, I want to say about $8.99. These can be found, where I found this pack is at Dollar General. Yeah, Dollar General for I think about like $8.99 or maybe $9.99, and it has a few more left within the pack. It came with the glue. The Pretty Nail, these, I don't think that these come with glue. Yeah, so these don't even come with glue. Yeah, but these do come with glue, and I have just a few more nails left for where I've had to, you know, add new nails if I lost one, or I wanted to just change it up and switch it up. So these are the comparison nails. So go ahead and continue to watch the video and you'll find out the final review on these. But yeah, thank you so much and enjoy the video. Alright, so I can already tell that I'm not gonna like these because, as it turns out, I will only have one jeweled nail, so I won't even be worried about wearing these for too long, and I can already see that there will be a gap between the nail and my nail, so I'll probably just wear these for a few days and just pop them off since I already spent my money on it, so I won't be making this purchase again. So basically what I do, I push my cuticles back just a little bit, pull that skin back, push the skin back, should I say, and I just start applying. Now it says probably to apply to the nail and the artificial nail, but I don't usually apply to both. It will be. It's like they don't lay flat for some reason. These don't. You have to put in like extra work. What the fuck is that about? Don't know. Now hold it, try to do it for 20 seconds. Yeah, I can tell I'm not gonna like these. They bunch up, and I don't even know if I'm gonna waste time putting the rest of these on. I feel like it's just a waste of time and energy. Let's try one more. If I don't like it, I'm scrapping it. Throw them in the trash. Yeah, I don't like these. Yeah. Mama doesn't like these at all. So yeah. These are no-go, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish popping. I'm gonna pop the rest of these off and put them what in the trash. So Vogue's 3D gem nails, that in a cash check or credit, this is a check. Wait, do not spend your $3.99 on these little trinket nails. And I think I brought like 3 packs of these. I mean, I feel like the Dollar Tree nails are better than these. So I will post this video just so you know. If you see LA Color Vogue nails, skip by it, get some kiss nails and stop playing. So for the best application, make sure you start by filing your natural nails, cut them down, wash them, or just use the Germex like I did because I was on my lunch break. You measure the nails to your liking. You apply the glue to, it says the nail and your nail. So I only put mine on just the artificial nails. And then yeah, I'm popping in less than 5 minutes. Told you to enjoy the video, and I didn't even show you what they still look like. So this is like 1 week post. Excuse my cuticles. Look honey, I do need a manicure and I don't do my own manicure, so you know COVID has stopped a lot of things. So anyways, these are 1 week posts, and what I will have to say is that these come with like a hologram type of painting, as well as the design is like etched in the nail. But after time passes, it just turns to a white design. So the hologram look like goes away. So yeah. But I like these. And for those of you who are trying to make sure that when you wash your dishes or you're doing anything where you're having to submerge your hands in water where you're not cleaning your body, make sure you use the old rubber gloves that come almost up to your elbow or whatnot. Or if you just have regular old rubber gloves, just use those. But I like the ones that come longer. Use those so that your nails will stay on longer, because the more you keep your hands wet, the easier it is for the adhesive to come undone. But I wanted to make sure I shared that with you and make sure you knew what they look like now. 1 week post. Actually, it's a little bit longer than 1 week post. But yeah, I'm getting ready to pop these off anyhow because I have some things to do with my children's hair. And that's really why I love these nails. I love these press-on nails because A, it doesn't cost me as much money, like 60 bucks or so, just to have these types of nails in the salon, whereas I can spend under 10 bucks and be ready to go and still pop them off and do what I need to do in my real life, and then put on a whole new set. And if I take off one set, if I put on one set and take off another one and then put on the next one, I've only run myself 20 bucks, maybe, possibly. Keep it moving.